What up? It's Bree. Back with another video. I'm here in San Juan in Puerto Rico. I'm here for my birthday. I'm turning 26. Yay. And so I came to Puerto Rico. It's me and my sister right now, and then it's me and my sister right now, and my other friend is joining us tomorrow, actually, or later today. And so we've been here for 2 days. I'm staying in a place called Vieques. It's an island, 25-minute plane ride from San Juan. And yeah, I heard about it on Instagram, obviously. This is just about to be called Places I Found on Instagram, because this is just like my last video. I found it on Instagram, been wanting to come forever, and I'm so excited. Made it happen for my birthday. We're basically staying on a farm. Very beautiful, staying in a treehouse, staying here for 2 days, and then going to San Juan. So I am going to give y'all a tour of the treehouse. You can kind of see a little bit of it right here. I'm gonna give you a tour of the treehouse. It's so cute. It's so bomb. Come with me. It's gonna be good. Get into the birthday hair. Get into it. And I realized that in my last video in Ghana, I also had this exact same thing on. So now it's just the house tour robe. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm staying at Finca Victoria in Vieques, Puerto Rico. It is 25 minutes from San Juan, and it's a beautiful tree house. Let's get into it, y'all. This is our tree house. It's a beautiful, and I'll insert the name of it right here. We're staying in the tallest one. It has more stories. It has 3 stories compared to the other ones that are 2-story. So yeah, this is it. So this right here at the bottom is our little kitchenette area. No stove or anything, but we do have some stools here that you can sit in. Got your cutlery and everything. And then there's a sink area. Sorry, I usually try to have everything looking super polished for my home tour videos, but we've been here for a few days. It's very lived in. But yeah, and it comes with a sink. A fridge. The fridge has a mini bar. There's already red wine in there, white wine, champagne, cava, and then some local beers, which is pretty cool. It also comes with got sugar and coffee and a French press. So you can, and there's also a kettle. I have it upstairs right now. You can make coffee and tea here. And since we're here, I will show you the shower. I failed to mention that at Finca Victoria, all the food here is vegan. And it's not a hotel, it's like a boutique hotel. It's on a farm, all the food here is vegan. And everything's like sustainably made, organic, and stuff like that. So, things to note. There's double shower heads, so 2 showers there. And it's nice and spacious, nice and big. Yeah, made for 2 people. And then since everything here is organic, you get organic shampoo and organic conditioner and organic castle soap. The soap smells really good. Hang some towels there. Yeah. And you kind of got a little view from the shower, if you will. So that's the kitchen. And now I'm gonna take you upstairs. I'm not sure where ours are because I read online that here they used to put offerings every morning, like flowers and water, like you're in Bali. We didn't get any, but that's what's there. And now I'm gonna take y'all up to the first story. So this is the first story. It be spiders, so that's why I gotta step back to make sure. Okay, I don't see it. The coast is clear. So this is basically our living room. Oh, I locked it from the inside. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna take y'all the other way. Enjoy the view while we walk. So you could go in that way that I just came from, but you can also walk around here. And bam! So this is our living room. It's very beautiful. There's 2 doors here that can close, but when it's open, it's nice and open and spacious and airy. Beautiful window here. And it actually, bam! Yes! I love that so much. And this is the living room. Very relaxing, nice and airy. Cute little treehouse. We got a hammock here. I'll insert a video of me swinging in the hammock. Another little beautiful window. All of them closed. And I love this little, I guess, like shelving console unit. They got some books, some decor. It's a very beautiful place and it's well designed, well thought out. This is a bathroom. Not the toilet paper flying in the vlog. Girl, okay, so this is a bathroom. I love this little mirror. Perfect for your makeup. Bathroom super simple. And there are no showers inside the treehouse. The only shower is the outdoor shower. So how nice is that? And this is the view from the couch. Girl, just kick your feet up. This place is so relaxing. This is the view. What a view. Very beautiful. Okay, so let me show you upstairs now. Just more of the bedroom. So we go up one more level. And this is the view from up here. It's beautiful in the morning. You can see the ocean out there. Yeah. Okay, so this is the bedroom of the treehouse. We like 3 stories up now. So you see our bed. Those are some windows. Another hammock. These people ain't playing about the relaxation. Me. Can see more of the room there. But yeah. This is it. It looks so beautiful in the morning. It looks beautiful right now. But it's a bit sunny. These doors also open. And it's just like a beautiful view. Can see the entire property from here. Another one of these beautiful circular windows, which I now need in my future house. Cause what? So nice. And then yeah, this is our bed. The bed was super comfortable. Very soft. You get a mosquito net, which is very necessary here in Puerto Rico. Specifically in Vieques, since we're on the island. And like I mentioned before, everything here is vegan, sustainable, very much about retreating and relaxing. So there's a diffuser in our room and they leave you some oil. I think it might be lavender oil. Yeah, it's the little things. It's the little things for me. So yeah, and then we have another bathroom. It looks identical to the one from downstairs in the other room. And again, no shower. You have to shower outside here. But yeah, I love this place. So yeah, that's the tour. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to say this is my 4th time in Puerto Rico, but this is actually the first time that I've ever left San Juan and gone somewhere else. Highly recommend. You have to get on a very tiny plane to get here. Pre-COVID, you could get on the ferry, but you can't if you're not a resident of Vieques. Other islands might be different. So you do have to get on a very small toy plane to get here, but it is worth it. The views are worth it. Everything is beautiful. As a non-vegan, the food here is great, and it feels nice to be on vacation and eat really lightly and beautifully, and yeah, just it's great. I'm gonna show y'all the pool and stuff as well. I'm gonna film some of that and throw it in here so you can see the rest of the property. And there's also a massage center, which I took some videos of yesterday when I got a massage, so I'll throw that in too so you can see the whole place. But I highly recommend coming to this place. Like I said, I found it on Instagram. It's a very Instagrammable place, but just because it's naturally beautiful, not because they try to make it that way, which I like. You can come here and relax. Everybody is so calm. They do yoga every morning at 8 a.m. Breakfast is included. And every Friday, there's like an ongoing dinner series. And I really like it here. If you're looking for a relaxing vacation, is great for solo traveling. My new friend Kay, who I know from Instagram, I'll put her handle here, happened to be here at the same time. Like, we didn't know each other was gonna be here. So we've been hanging out and it's been great. But she came here solo and has been really enjoying herself. It's the perfect place if you need to disconnect, if you need to connect with nature, if you need to connect with yourself. Perfect place to come and write. I'm about to go write after this. To read. If you want to be still, come here. It's beautiful. So this is Finca Victoria in Vieques, Puerto Rico. Highly recommend. I'm about to go enjoy the rest of my time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that. Bye.